Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video will be from the end of spring 2024 towards like the middle of summer 2024 as well. I just randomly decided to edit this video. Hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, it's been a while since I recorded an intro like this or talked to the camera, so here you guys go. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace.
Well, on camera it looks like it's a normal day, but right now it looks so different. This is this. I don't even think you could catch it. Can you catch it? Nope, you can't.
Why can't you look at this up?
Whoa, this is what it looks like through the glasses. You can see the moon. That's crazy. Wow.
You know where I am right now? Follow my voice. Oh. Watch out! You're gonna hit a pen. Go walk straight, walk straight. No, turn left. Walk straight. Walk straight. Walk straight. Walk straight. Now jump. Jump forward.
So slowly zooming. Let me zoom into the song, bro. And then zoom out. Buddy cruising. Nine, 100% of them are Lake Baddock for sure. So, I'm doing Instacart right now. And, you know, I clicked this Costco order. It was like only 5 miles. It was 2 shop and deliver. But it was not bad. The houses are really close by, so I clicked it because it said only 7 items. I didn't realize it's 7 items, but it was 25 units. And all of those units are water bottles. So, both of these customers one of them ordered 9 packs of water bottles. The second guy ordered 8 packs of water bottles. So right now in my car, I have the math. 17 packs of water bottles. And pushing them around in that orange cart, I don't even know how to explain it. It was embarrassing, but not really. I don't really care. It was just the fact that these customers had the audacity to order these bottles, and their instructions were leave at door. So yeah, I love this job. That was the first delivery. It was 3 floors, a 3-floor apartment, and his was at the very top, and I was doing it all by myself. 9 water bottles up 3 floors of stairs. One guy was kind enough to help me, a neighbor. He helped me for 1 pack and left. So let's see how the second delivery goes. This one was not any better. Still on the 2nd floor. Neighbors will walk right by me without any offer to help. It's painful. Love this job. This delivery is finished. Inner peace. About to get some ticks and poison ivy. Yo, where is this place? Wow. Bro, what? We just came from there? What? This place is huge then. Sorry, Kyuuwaii. The lake extends that way, even longer. So this is a really big lake. How's the water quality? Dude, look at this site. Ooh. Wow. Back. Every lake has that same bridge.
I think it's just a dam.
Yeah. We have to make it over there somehow. How did I even get there?
We want to find out.
Whoa, what does this say?
She is sick.
In loving memory of Matthew Shaw.
Oh, what the? She died like 5 years ago.
This is not that long ago.
This is a dam. That's messed up.
Caught in 4K, bro. Is there more houses? Nope, that's the end, right when I start recording. Woo! Every lake has the same like bridge like this. Wow.
How you feeling now?
Yo!
Every day's the law, you just don't have
Hold
to
up. Dude.
Will you be alright? Will you be alright? Every now
Talk about
and then struggling
God's creation. Lake Mercer, check. This is definitely one of the bigger ones though. Look at this.
It's feeling like I figure out to
Woo.
face the struggle.
What a great view.
Undescribable, I'm feeling low and I'm feeling like I'm drifting not too far, not too far. Rubber thoughts,
It feels like we're in the mountains.
not missing you for too long.
Wow.
This is how we end.
We were just over there. Right over there. A lot of people fishing. Wow.
I haven't seen you in a while.
Some more over here.
Are we drifting not
Dang.
too far?
What a sight.
Should I move on from you 'cause you're gone? Should we
Live footage
rather
of someone
stay apart?
potentially catching a fish. Or is it a stuck?
Not missing you for too long.
Homie over there chilling.
This is how we end. Oh no.
Yeah, I got some. This is literally the first sight we see from this trail. Come out here. Dude, this is at least like, yeah, I think it's 2 football fields. Oh my goodness. How? This is massive. And we're on a hill.
So far away.
Oh my goodness. Look how small that guy looks on camera. Bro, this is crazy. Let's go. You are here, moving in our midst. Anyways, it's real dark.
Bro, point the light at the map.
We gotta find our way out. So right here.
We gotta keep going.
We started right here. SOS, so her shadow is.
We gotta keep going.
We just gotta keep going straight. And then you take a right at that orange sign.
All the way over there?
Yeah,
Oh, nah.
it's kind of far, I won't lie. We got it. Dude, it looks like we're in a rainforest. It's so dark. Oh yeah, this trail leads to South Run. That's actually cool. It all connects. We have come very far. We are right here. South Run is down here.
Does this look like how we're looking?
Finally, some light. Oh, we're at South Run.
We finally went on the trail for South Run, though.
Yeah, finally. That's crazy. We're at South Run. Oh. Dang, the indoor field. The map from Mercer. Dang. Huntsman Lake, Mercer, Burke Lake. Wow, the basketball court. Dang. Dang, can't we bike the South Run? The courts. Wow. It looks real good on camera. Can't believe we're at South Run. It's the first time we're at South Run without church. Wow. Look at this guy. He's a criminal. He's a criminal. He's biking on the turf. Yeah, it feels good to bike on the turf. Yo, this is crazy. Biking on the turf. Woo. South Run. Can't believe we biked here. Hey, yo! What is Buddy doing?
Oh, my knee.
Dang. The fog actually makes it look better.
That gives a mystic feeling.
Watching the monitor just blew up.
Do this every night. 아대가 되게 나와? Nope, not at all.
seems that the run and only spells is far from my own. Where can I find you? The train has already gone. Not a big deal, no need to rush. Let's go by Sunday train. I just noticed now I didn't have ticket to the future, but I found it now. It was nothing hard. All I wanted was an excuse. Ooh, now I found you. The train can be there now. Ooh, we can go.